Hi there, 7th graders, Mr. Kurt here, and I believe this will be our last video update of the year as we wrap up Unit 4 and everything and end of the semester and all that good stuff. So week 17. So we have two big things going on. You'll have three assignments as you can see, but three assignments, two big things going on. So first of all, we have the Unit 4 assessment, and of course back in week 16 we started talking about your final project, which will be the final thing due. This week we're actually going to wrap up your Unit 4 final assessment. So the assessment's different than the project, and you can see here that we'll do a discussion board and then turn in the Unit 4 assessment. Now this is very similar to the other unit final assessments that we've done, in that you'll, on the discussion board, you'll post your point paragraph, your introductory paragraph to the essay. You'll have, when you read the assessment, you'll have 6 documents that you can choose from to support your point in the prompt, and then so you'll answer the prompt. My suggestion is, I don't want to say it has to be this length, or whatever. My suggestion is, since you'll be using 3 documents and you'll need an introductory paragraph, is to do an introductory paragraph, a concluding paragraph, and then 3 body paragraphs for the 3 documents that you choose to support your prompt. And as always, of course, you'll have, this is PEA, Point Evidence Analysis style. You'll have the Social Studies rubric. So that rubric, PEA, to go through. My suggestion is that 5-paragraph essay, introduction, conclusion, and 3 body paragraphs. So you'll look through that. So the discussion board, of course, again, is you post your point paragraph, your introductory paragraph, and then you critique, which means very nicely give suggestions and comments on other people's point paragraphs. So those are your 2 replies, or 2 classmates, and spread them out, please. Don't all reply and give advice to just one person, one classmate. Try and spread it out so everyone is getting some good constructive feedback on their point paragraph. Okay? So that's the discussion, and try and get that done by Wednesday if you can, and then we'll try and get the assessments done by Friday, and then the final project, comic storybook, you'll see due Monday, May 20th, so you have a little bit more time. As always, I'll try and shoot for everyone to be done Monday through Friday, have the weekend to yourself, and then get the project turned in Monday. Now, Tuesday is the absolute deadline for anything being turned in, so that's why I want everything turned in a little bit earlier. So if there's, any last, you forgot one thing, I need to let you know so you can go and finish that up. But that includes any late work. And of course, any late work that you're turning in is you can only earn 75%. But remember, 75% is a lot better than 0. Okay? Those of you who do not have at least 70% in this class and all of your classes, I will see you Wednesday on campus. Otherwise, you're good to go. But certainly get everything in. Make sure your grade is where you want it. There are no extensions after this at this point. So let's try to get everything in as soon as you can. Let me know if you have any questions at all along those lines. All right. I'll see you soon. Talk to you soon. Let me know what questions you have. Thanks. Bye.